Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 5 of the topic trigonometry. So now let us see in this one some of the trigonometric identities. There are 3 identities here. We can see here that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and cot square theta plus 1 is cosec square theta. So here in some case we can also put here as A. In place of this theta we can also put as A. So now let us see here, let us derive this one. Now we can also say here sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So now let us derive this identity. So now see here, this let us take a right angle triangle that is ABC. So this is right angled at B. So the B should be here, near the 90 degree. So now what we can see, we know the trigonometric this one, that is the Pythagoras theorem in this one, that is this is the hypotenuse because this is the side opposite to 90 degree, and this is the base, and this is the height, or we can say at the perpendicular side. So we know that is AB square plus BC square is AC square. This is the hypotenuse square, and this is the perpendicular side, and this is the base square. So you can write either ways. You can write here base square or perpendicular, both is the same. So now let us take this as equation number 1. So now what will we do? We want, what is this one? We want this as 1. So to get this as 1, what are we going to do? This means this is the AC. So this should be 1. So what will we do? We will divide each term. This is first, second, and the third. So we are going to divide each term by what? AC square. So after dividing this by AC square, we divided all this the same by the AC square. So now look at here. This, we will just put this one in the bracket and take the square of it. Again here the same. Again here the same. So now what we can see, AB by AC. So can you see here, this is AB by AC. So we have here, what have we considered this angle, right? So this is opposite side. So this is the adjacent side. And of course, this is not going to change. This is going to be the hypotenuse one. So now what we do get here? AB by AC. So AB is what? Adjacent, and AC is the hypotenuse. That means AB means this is the adjacent, means where do we get adjacent? Sine is opposite by the hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So now what we can write for that one as cos A square. For this, what we can write here? BC by AC. So BC is opposite and this is the hypotenuse. So we can write here as sine A, and this gets cancelled. That means this is going to be 1. So now what we can see here, that this we can write as a cos square A, and this is sine square A is equal to 1. Or we can also write here, instead of writing here cos square A plus sine square A is 1, we can also write here as sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So this is proved. Can you see here? So now same we can do for this one, 1 plus tan square A. This is the other identity, is sec square A. So now here same we can put it. So now you know this is the angle what we are going to consider. So this is the side opposite to that. This is the opposite one. So this will be the adjacent, and this is going to be the hypotenuse. So now what will we do? Again the same, AB square plus BC square is AC square. So we will consider this as equation number 1. So now we want here as 1. So to get here as 1, what are we going to do? Now since this is AB, so we are going to divide it by AB square. Hope you got this one. So first thing, you are going to divide by AB square. So since we are divided by AB square, this also should be divided by AB square. This also should be divided by AB square. So now again what will we do? We'll put a common bracket for that, and the square will be outside. Same for here. Same here. Okay. So now what we can see here, this when we cut it, we'll get here 1. And BC by AB. Now let us see here BC by AB. BC is opposite and AB is adjacent side. So where do we get opposite by adjacent? That is in place of this 10. So we can write here for this part, we can write here 10 square A because this is square. And AC by AB, AC by AB, AC by AB. So this is hypotenuse by, this is the opposite, right? So this by adjacent. So Where do we get hypotenuse by adjacent? So you know adjacent by hypotenuse is cos. So where this is cos means the inverse of this one. That is, you get hypotenuse by this. So that is going to be, you know, the cos theta is 1 by sec theta. So that is definitely going to be this one. This is going to be the reciprocal. So we know this is sec square theta A. Yeah, we are using this one. So that will be sec square A. And this is what we were. A1 plus 10 square is equal to sec square A. So hope you got this one. Now let us see here cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. We are going to derive this one. So what will we do here? We know this is opposite side and this is the adjacent side and this will be the hypotenuse one. So here what will be that? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So this is our equation number 1. So now what do we want here? We want here, this is 1 over here. So that means here should be 1. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide this 1 by this BC square. So since we are dividing this by BC square means all this should be divided by BC square. So now what are we going to do here? This square you will take outside the bracket. Again here the same. Here again the same. So now what here is AB by BC. AB by BC means where do you have AB? This is opposite one. This is the adjacent one and this is the hypotenuse one. So where do we get AB by BC? This AB is adjacent and BC is this is the opposite side. So where do we get adjacent by opposite? So now you know we have 10 is opposite by adjacent. So this is the, when you take the reciprocal of this, you get adjacent by opposite zone. So that means here tan theta is 1 by cot. So we can say this one AB by BC is, that is cot square A, and this will get cancelled, that will be 1. And now AC by BC. AC by BC means this is AC and here this is the hypotenuse and this is the BC. This is the opposite side. So hypotenuse by opposite one. So you know what is now, you know the opposite by hypotenuse, that is sine. So if we take the reciprocal of that, that is going to be the sine is 1 by cosec. So you will write over here, that is, because this is square, so you will write here cosec square A. Now let us see express the ratios here, cos A, tan A and sec A in terms of sine A. So now you know here that sine square A plus cos square A is 1. Or you can also write theta, but since here is A, we are going to write here A. This is the first identity. So when we rearrange this one, so what do we get here? Cos square A is 1 is on the right hand side. So if we take this on the right side, that is going to be minus sine square A. So now let us see when you square this one. So squaring both sides, what do you get here? Cos A is, this will be in the root. This whole part is going to be in the root. So now let us see, this is for cos A. Now we got cos A. Now let us see for tan A. Tan A is sin A by cos A. So sin A let us write as it is, but in place of this cos A, we'll write this part because we got cos A as this one. So this one, tan A is 1 sin A divided by root of 1 minus sin square A. So now let us see for the sec A. Sec A is 1 by cos A, that is 1 by root of this one. Cos is what? Root of 1 minus sin square A. So we got all the three identities in terms of C here. Here also is sin A, here also is sin A, and here also is sin A. So that they said in terms of sin A. Now prove that cot A minus cos A, this is the question given here. So now whenever there is prove means we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So now let us take first the left hand side. So same thing, it's taken over here. So now you know cot is this 10 is sine by cos. So cot is going to be 10 is 1 by cot. So that will be the reverse of that. That will be cos of sine A, cos A by sine A, and this cos A as it is. So same again here we can write here cos A by sine A, and this cos A as it is. Now what we can do here we can take these are the two terms, so we can take cos A common here. So what remains here is 1 by sine A and here will be minus 1. Again, when we take here cos A, we can take common. So what remains here is 1 by sine A and this plus 1. So now this here, because this is multiplication, this and this gets cancelled. So what remains? Here, the same here and here. So now we can write here 1 by sine A is cosec A and this minus 1 as it is. Again here 1 plus sine A, that will be cosec A and this plus 1 as it is. And this is the right hand side what we want. Can you see this is the right hand side? So that means it says that LHS is RHS. So that is proved. Now look at this one. We have to prove that sec A into 1 minus sine A into sec A plus tan A is 1. So now this is the left hand side. Again we'll take the left hand side here. So second we can also write here 1 by cos. This as it is. This sec A we can write 1 by cos A. Tan A we can write sine A by cos A. This let us keep as it is. This let us keep as it is. So now what we can see, this is plus. So we can take this is the LCM of that is cos A, and this is going to be added. So now this into this is going to be 1 minus sine A, and this the same. So now what remains in this one here into this is because this is multiplication. So this is going to get multiplied. So that will be cos square A. So now see here, this is A minus B and this is A plus B. Why? Because A both are 1, B means both are sine A. So we can say A minus B and A plus B. So you have the formula A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. So what will you write? A is what? 1 square means 1 minus B square is sine A. So that we can write this sine square A. And this cos A will be as it is. So now you know 1 minus sine square A will be cos square A because there is identity. Sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 minus cos square A, cos square that is 1. So if we take this cos square A and this 1 is on this place, if we take here, this is going to be sine square A. So here will be cos square A. In place of this is going to be cos square A and the denominator the same. So when we cancel this, that is going to be 1 and which is the RHS, and that proves that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now the next one we have to evaluate. This is the question over here. So in place of this sec A, we can write here 1 by cos A. In place of this tan A, we can write sine A by cos A. So this will be as it is and divided by 1. 1 plus sine A, this will be here 1 minus sine A divided by 1. So now what will we do here? A plus B and this is A minus B. So what will you write here? Because these both are 1. So you can write A. These both are same. So you can write B. So again you have the formula A plus B, A minus B, that is A square minus B square. So 1 square is going to be 1 minus B square, this sine square A. And what will you do? Because this is multiplication, this can be multiplied. So that is going to be cos A. And again, we have done in the previous one, 1 minus sine square is cos square A. And this as it is. So now what we can see, cos square A means cos A into cos A. And this, the denominator is just cos A. So this one gets cancelled from that. So what remains is cos A. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.